So here's Toxic app, and this is the app where you can just see the details about your Instagram profile. So for example, you're following some person and then you can see that this person is not following your back. And then you can enable notifications. Then you can also have a referral code in this app. You can support the team. And then when you're logged in with your account, you can just see the details. And then you have pro account, track any users privately, clean up followers instantly, view stories anonymously, view profile insights, real-time updates. So you have yearly access, which is like $30 per year, or monthly access, $10 per month. So here, if you just search for this app, this is the app. It's called Followers Exposed. It's available here in the App Store. So what you can do, you can view followers and followings easily for anyone. Find out who's not following you back. So who you follow and who is not following you back. Get notified when someone unfollows you. And then, 100% private data is on your device. And then also you can enter the username of anyone on Instagram. See when they follow or unfollow someone new. Monitor your own account and find out who is not following you back. So that's the idea of the app. Try it out.